Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today I'm going to unbox the October 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit by Stampin' Up. I haven't done a paper pumpkin kit in a long time, and frankly really wasn't my thing. I like to play with my own ideas and that with the stamps, but I've seen the really great kits that have been coming out. My upline does them all the time, and I thought, okay, great, I'm gonna start my paper pumpkin subscription. So I thought I would unbox this and let everybody see what's in the kit, and then I'll do another couple of videos actually constructing what's in the kit. So this is how you get it. It's wrapped in plastic with the shipping labels on, so when you unwrap it, you've got the nice box for it. So you just pop it open, and the first thing we see is a information sheet. This one is, "'Tis the season for joy, and Paper Pumpkin is here to help you spread the holiday cheer all over the globe." It's designed to help you connect with people around the world. You can use the hashtag Joy of Paper Pumpkin to post your ideas, and it gives you some pictures of items that are in the kit. It comes with a block to mount your photopolymer stamps on. So you get a block, and you get a block each month, one that corresponds with your items. You also get a Stampin' Spot to use, different color every month. This one is the Just Jade. Everything you need is inside the box. So it tells you how to mount the stamps. It tells you how to use the ink spot. It gives you helpful resources and links to online. Little postcard on the other side, "Thanks for choosing Paper Pumpkin." This is fabulous if you really want to do your own thing, but don't really know where to start. So this has everything you need. Wishing you a very happy Christmas filled with fun and laughter. A really nice Merry Christmas, the wreath, the berries for the wreath. And then there's joy, but there's sending to you and yours, to the world. So you could say sending joy to the world, sending joy to you and yours, or you could just say joy to you and yours. So those are the stamps that you get with this set. And inside the tissue, sorry for the noise, is the kit itself. This is all of the envelopes, the card bases, the blanks. All the instructions are in here. I'm just going to open this up. There's also some Stampin' Dimensionals in here, and some twine to use as an embellishment. So let's just open this up, take the pieces out. Sorry, I knocked the camera there. We are still on site. That's good. These are Stampin' Dots. They're adhesive dots. You've got your dimensionals. Oh, and they have, with this, they have pre-embellished some of the cardstock. It's the Cozy Cable pattern. It's really lovely. These are your envelopes. With the lining, it says it's got joy, peace, love, all the sayings involved with this kit. You've got the you can press these out and stamp them. It's a stitched, embellished edge, and you can use your stamps and the spot to ink those up and stamp them. Oops. These are the card bases. So you would just take your card base, fold it in half on the scored line. It's white inside, so easy peasy for putting your sentiments in. And you got this lovely gold sheet. There's two of them with your gold embellishments on, so you can actually put whatever greeting you want. There's some in French and in German, so you can, it is truly a global kit. You can put whatever you like on if you're sending overseas. And they've got some pre-printed punch-out embellishments. You can put these on your card. There's also the wreath. You just pop that out. So there's your wreath, and you get 5 sheets of that. You get 5 sheets like that. So there's plenty of opportunity to put things together. So that's basically the Paper Pumpkin kit for October of 2020. And as you can see, I showed you the gold embellishments and the wreath and the cabled background, as well as the twine. So thank you for watching today. The link to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin is below. You can subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, 12 months. The more months you subscribe for upfront, the better the pricing is. But it's still a really good deal. If you think just a 1 month subscription in Canada is $30 for the box, you get basically a stamp set, a stamp spot, your block, and everything you need to create the cards. So if you would like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, or if you have any questions, you can please contact me or use the links below. And we'll see you next time for some projects using this Paper Pumpkin kit.